Whenever we would travel, my husband and me, I prefer land trip. He prefers by plane. And do you know why? The reason why I want the land trip? Look at the video. You get to see the landscape of the state that you are passing. It's really wide, and there's like 3 to 4 lanes in each direction. You just have to follow your lane and you're gonna be alright. And you can see the province.
First stop.
There
to
are
go to the
gas
bathroom
stations in every
and
corner
find
of the road.
something to
You
drink.
don't, if you need gas, you can see beautiful, wonderful structures along the road, along the way.
Be on the left onto US 64 West and State Highway 51 west toward Sand Springs.
That's the central downtown Tulsa, Oklahoma.
We went to Oklahoma, but we passed by Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, and there's another state. And in each state, we stopped to have a look. We not really went all around these states, but it's a sights to see. You know, there are nice sights to see just along the way, along the road. That's why you better go on a road trip rather than flying. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you like it. If you do, please share it to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
You done?
Bye-bye.
Okay.